Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change oil in a Ford Ranger. First, gather your essential tools like a wrench, an oil pan, and reliable jack stands. Make sure you have the correct type of new engine oil and a fresh oil filter ready. Briefly warm up your engine for about 5 minutes. This helps the old oil drain more easily. Finally, safely lift the front of your truck and secure it firmly on jack stands for safety. Now let's get that old oil out. Find the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan under your engine. Place your oil drain pan directly below it to catch all the used oil. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. The old oil will start to flow out, so be patient and let it drain completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil draining, it's time for the filter. Locate your old oil filter, typically on the side or front of the engine block. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, and give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Almost done. First, reinstall the oil drain plug and tighten it securely. Now, carefully lower your Ford Ranger from the jack stands back onto a level surface. Open the oil filler cap and pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 6 quarts for this model. Finally, check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it's within the proper range, and double-check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.